So, hi guys, this is Success Laza on your screen. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. I am so proud of you for willing to make changes in your life. And this video is about habits that are secretly ruining your marks and you might not even be aware of it. So let's just unpack, see where you can relate and what you can use from this video. I think it will be very useful if you grab your notes and just write down the things that, the notes that you think might help you. So I am making this video to help people try to find solutions in their lives. So I'm stating problems for you to be aware of the problems that might be affecting your life and then try to find solutions. So the first common mistake that most people make is spending way too much time on your phone, on your devices compared to your books, right? So today I want you to weigh how much time you spend on your phone and how much time you spend on your books. Because the minute our results are here, we act surprised and we're like, I studied. Yes, you did study, but you have to understand that your books are very jealous of your time. So you have to spend way too much time with your books compared to your phone. Yes, show me your friends, I'll tell you your future, right? This is interlinked to the habits that I'm about to say. The second habit is your environment. Who are your friends? Who are the people that you spend time with? You should be spending time with the people that are aiming higher results as you. Because if not, it's not gonna work. You need people to motivate you even if you feel like you're not in the mood to study. You need people studying by your side to get you, into the zone. So as from today, please check the people that are around you. What type of people that are around you? Are they also aiming for the high marks? Are they also aiming for the same thing? Because you need the environment that will shape you into the person that you want to become. I do not know how much I must emphasize this point. Your friends are very important. You should be spending time, or you should be having friends that are also aiming for high marks, or else you don't want to learn the hard way. Okay, just please find new friends, or I don't know, but your environment is very important. That is what I will tell you. Now I'm going to be saying exhausting habits. Okay, so another thing that we tend to do is getting into a romantic relationship. Hello, it's not gonna work. You can't get into a romantic relationship trying to balance that while you are a struggling student. You know why? Jologo monate, right? And school is very stressful. Obviously your brain loves fun things or nice things. So your brain will lean more to the things that are nice, which is kimujolo, which is a romantic relationship, right? So you won't be like, your brain wouldn't want to go back to something that is stressful, which is studying. Wouldn't want to try to find solutions or whatsoever, because already you have something that is nice. But your brain will tell you, you know what, let's just spend time with this one, it's gonna be nice. And you don't want to do that, because you don't want to find yourself upgrading, and you don't want to find yourself repeating school. And when that romantic relationship is not even there, right, that person will pass and leave you, possibly. But anyway, we do not need to try and balance a romantic relationship while you're a struggling student. Some people can do it, okay, but you are struggling. You need to fix your issues with your books. I don't know why most people don't do this. Like, when I tell most people about this, they're like, oh really, But this one is watch YouTube videos for a certain subject. Let's say, for instance, you need help with English. Watch a YouTube video. They will help you, I'm telling you. And then another one is past papers. Do those past papers. People tend to do past papers only when they're about to write. No, we do not want that. Do past papers as a form of or part of your studying. I don't know how to further explain that, but treat past papers as your notes. Do them repeatedly. Get them wrong. Do them again till they stick here. Repetition is... These last habits is finding help, right? If you are able to get a tutor or teachers to help you, like if you are able to pay for extra classes, to pay for tutors, that will really help you. And if not, please use your teachers. Like, find help as much as you can. Find help. We are at the end of the video, so thank you so much for being here. You guys, another thing, we can say all the things, list all the habits, everything that are hindering you, but the most important thing is to stay consistent. Consistency. You need to believe in yourself. You need to put in that hard work. You need to spend time with your books in order to make a change. Thank you so much. Make yourself proud, because you need this, okay? Bye.